Our problem of the day says, write a subtraction sentence to match the picture. Here's our picture up here, but it's not complete. We have a missing part. So we got to figure out what goes in the missing part. Well, let's first start by counting what our whole is, because we've seen problems like this before. We've been given the part, and then the whole. See, now we have the whole and one part, but we're missing a part. So that's when subtraction comes in handy. Well, let's see what our whole is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the whole is 5, and we know part of it is 1, 2, 3. Part is 3. Well, what we should do is we'll count on from 3 until we get to 5. If we do that, then we will find out how many go here. So we're going to count on from 3. So here's 3, 4, 5. We got to 5. Well, how many did it take? It took 1, 2. So 5 minus 3 equals 2. We were able to write a subtraction sentence that matches our picture. So that is what we will be working on today. Let's read our learning target. I can write subtraction number sentences after finding a missing part. So if you take a look here, it says draw the missing cubes, write a subtraction sentence. Alrighty, well it says 8, and 8's our whole, and you can see that. 8's the whole for this whole box. We know the one part is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count on to find the other part. 5, 6, 7, 8. We were able to count on until we got to our whole of 8. We can write our subtraction sentence now. So our whole that we started with was 8. We knew 4. And then we were able to find that the missing part was 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 minus 4 would equal 4. Okay, let's try this one. If you want, you could also try using it with cubes at home. Let's see what the whole says. The whole says 6. So we are going to have to start with 6. So I'm going to do the same thing with cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here are 6 cubes, you can see. Then I know my part is 1, 2, 3. So that's 3. And then my missing part is counting on. I could look here too. So I pulled these 3 off. 1, 2, 3. The missing part is 3. I could also count on. So I have 3 here. 4, 5, 6. That matches. They're both 3. So now I know that 6 minus 3 will equal 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're going to do one more like this. So it says draw the missing cubes, write a subtraction sentence. So you can use your actual cubes if you have them, or you can just draw a picture if that works for you too. Okay, let's see what our whole is. It's 7, so that's the whole amount. And that will go here. Then I'm going to give myself 7 cubes. So now I have 7. The part we know is 1, 2, 3. I'll end up putting that there in a little bit. So the part we know is 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to pull those off. That's what I know. The missing part is this. Well, how many were missing? 1, 2, 3, 4 were missing. 1, 2, 3, 4. You could also use the counting on method. So if you knew there was 3 here, we could count on until we get to 4. So it could have been, let me erase and we'll show you that one too. So I could have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I would stop because I got to the whole of 7. Then I'd have to look, well, how many pink dots were there? Okay. We already found that it's this many here. So how many is that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so 7 minus 3 equals 4. We can complete our number sentence. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Alrighty, we're going to try this problem down here because you'll have a couple of these on your practice sheet. It says, write the missing number. This is the missing number. So 4 minus something will equal 1. That seems so tricky. But what if, instead of thinking it was 4 minus something will equal 1, what if I just already know? So I have 4, and my end result needs to be that there's only 1 left. So how many did we take away? Oh, it was 3. I have 3 left in my hand. Alrighty, let's take a look at your practice today. Again, the learning target says, I can write a subtraction number sentence after finding a missing part. Here it says, find the missing part and write subtraction sentences. Very similar to what we saw on the other page. Find the missing part first. And then you'll write your subtraction sentence. So 9 minus these will equal the pink spot. Okay? Then down here it says complete the number sentences. Use a tool, or you could draw a picture and say, well, okay, if I have 6, as it says, 6 here. So here I have 6. I need to minus something that I don't know and end up with 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is what I need to end up with. Well, how many do I have left? I just have 1 in my hand left. So here would go the 1. And you'll have 2 other problems like that as well. Have fun.